Japanese maples can be very, very slow growing. And I've had this one about 2 decades. And when I bought it, it was, I don't know, about that high in a little pot. And it's taken this long to get a little bit taller than me. And this year, it sort of just got a little bit taller than me, which is very encouraging. It goes this really nice colours, you know, it has like yellows and reds, and it just goes from one through to another colour. You see this bit here is very red, and it's very nice, interesting leaves, but I don't know what it is, I've forgotten. It was so long ago that I got it, but it just looks so nice. Do you think that looks nice, Ziggy? Yeah, and it keeps the leaves for a long time, but I find that they are very difficult to get started in the first place. They're very prone to drying out, they're very prone to cold winds, they are very prone to like all sorts of things, and especially late frosts. Sometimes the leaves come out in April and then a frost burns all those leaves off, and then they have a long time trying to grow new leaves. Sometimes they don't grow the second lot of leaves till kind of July, and they really suffer when you get like late frosts. Here I've got it like right next to a wood, so the woods protects it from those late frosts, and I've got it in quite a damp area because they don't like drying out, and it's nice and sheltered from the winds. So it should be all right here, and it's been here for quite a long time now. So yeah, they just find them the first few years they need a lot of attention, and it's sometimes worth just getting a slightly bigger one so that you've got you know, something there to start with. Here I do need to de-bramble it quite drastically. This area's got quite brambly, but then the brambles are protecting it to some extent, so that's kind of good. And I've got another one here which has been in for about 4 years, and this one I got to, it was like a sort of, I suppose they've been forced in the nursery to grow these very long bits, and so it had the height already, and since then it's kind of just grown and bushed out a bit each year, but it's going to take a long time before it bushes out as much as this one, but at least it's got the height there already. And this little drainage valley coming through here, I'd like this to be largely kind of maples, aces, these Japanese maples, because they're just like so nice and they just do really well in locations like that. So this one is like the encouragement of the other ones, but I think any more I get, I'm going to make sure they're a little bit bigger beforehand, and sort of plant them after all the danger of the frost is gone, let them get established for that year, and then that should be good.